Student, today we will learn the trigonometrical tables. So, student let there are the angles theta 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Then there are trigonometrical ratios sin theta, cos theta, cosec and tan theta. Tan 0 is 0, cos 0 1, tan 0 0, cosec 0 infinity, sec 0 is 1 and cot 40 and cot 0 is infinity. Sin 90 1 upon 2, cos 90 root 3 by 2, tan 30 1 upon root 3, cosec 32, sec 32 upon root 3 and cot 30 is root 3. Then sin 45 1 upon root 2, cos 45 1 upon root 2, tan 45 1, cosec 45 root 2, sec 45 is also root 2 and it is 1. Sin 60 root 3 by 2, then cos 60 1 upon 2, tan 60 root 3, cosec 60 2 upon root 3, sec 60 1 upon sec 62, then cot 60 is 1 upon root 3. Sin 91, cosec 90 0, then tan 90 not defined infinity, cosec sec 90 is 1, sec 90 not defined and cot 90 is 0. Student, there is one logic to learn this table. Student, the logic is this: if we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, divide each number by 4, then we will get 0 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 4. Now let us take the square root of these numbers. 0 upon 4, root 1 upon 4, root 1 upon 2, root 3 by 4, then root 4 by 4 is 1. Let us simplify. 0 upon 4 is 0, square root is 0. But it is 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Student, these are the values of sin. Sin 0, sin 1 upon 2, 30 degree, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 and 90. And value of sin theta. Then to learn the value of cos theta, we will change the order of table. So first we write 1, then root 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 by 2, then 0. To find the value of tan theta, there is a formula: tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta. And cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. And cosec theta 1 upon sin theta and sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. So these are the reciprocal. To utilize these identities, we can find all values of the table. So cos theta after cos theta is the complement of sin theta. Then tan theta, when we divide these two values, 0.1 will be 0, 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 by 2, it is 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 upon root 2. So it is 1, root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 is root 3, 1 upon 0 is not defined, infinity. Infinity is researched by Srinivas Ramanujan. Then cosec theta is the reciprocal of values of sin theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. This way we can learn the table. Students, let's continue the some important questions on the topic trigonometry. Question is, if cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta, then show that cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Student, to solve this question, we will write all cos theta one side, so it is cos theta. We can write it cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Then sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. Student, cos theta common, so it is root 2 minus 1 into cos theta. There is sin theta. Now we will rationalize this, so it will be root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 plus 1 into cos theta. Then sin theta equal to a minus b into a plus b is root 2 square minus 1 square upon root 2 plus 1 into cos theta. There is sin theta, root 2 square is 2, so 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus 1 into cos theta. 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1 upon root 2 plus 1 into cos theta into sin theta. Now cross multiply, we will get sin theta into root 2 plus 1 equal to cos theta. Just open the bracket, it is root 2 sin theta plus sin theta equal to cos theta. Shift sin theta to the right hand side, we will get root 2 sin theta, root 2 sin theta equal to cos theta minus sin theta. Therefore, cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Hence, proved. Student, next is next question is prove that root 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A equal to cosec A minus cot A. Student, we will take the LHS. It is root of 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. Student, we will rationalize the denominator. So it is root 1 minus cos A into 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Denominator, make a formula A plus B into A minus B. It is A square minus B square. And numerator is a whole square. So it is root of 1 minus cos A whole square upon 1 square minus cos square A. Student, it is root of 1 minus cos A whole square upon sin square. Now here all square is cancelled out, so it is simply 1 minus cos A upon sin A. Then separate out 1 upon sin A minus cos A upon sin A. 1 upon sin A becomes cosec A. And cos A upon sin A is cot A. So it is RHS, hence proved.